In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use left and find functions in Excel. This is a practical technique for pulling out the first part of a text value, such as a first name, from a larger, messy string like a full name. By the end, you will be able to enter the same kind of formula and apply it to multiple rows quickly and accurately. To begin, you will type a full name into cell A1, and then type the first name into cell B1. For example, you can place the full name in A1 so that you have a reference value, and then enter the expected extracted result in B1. Take a moment to look at your sheet and confirm that you are filling A1 and B1 with the correct content. This setup helps you see whether the formula gives the result you expect. Next, you are going to enter your messy data string into cell A2. In the instructions, you would type John Smith directly into A2. This is your raw input, meaning it is the text you want to process. After you place the string in A2, verify that the value appears correctly in the cell exactly as you typed it, including the space between the first name and last name. Now that the messy data is in place, you will click on cell B2. This matters because the formula goes into the destination cell where you want the extracted text to appear. Make sure B2 is selected so Excel knows where to display the result. You should see the highlight or selection box around cell B2 before you type anything. With B2 selected, you will type the formula =left A2 find B2 1 into the field. As you type, pay attention to the parentheses, commas, quotation marks, and the spacing in the formula. The find function searches for the space character inside a 2, which marks where the first name ends and the last name begins. Then left uses that position to take everything to the left, but the formula subtracts 1, so it stops right before the space. This is the key logic that creates a clean first name output from a full name string. After you enter the formula, press the Enter key on your keyboard. Excel will instantly compute the result and display it in B2. At this point, you should see the extracted first name pulled from the beginning of the original text in a 2. If the output does not look right, it is usually due to a small typing mistake in the formula or the input text, so you can double-check both. Once the formula works for the first row, you will add another row of test data. To do that, type Jane Doe into cell A3. This gives you a second example, so you can confirm that the formula pattern works consistently and not just by coincidence. Now click cell B3 to select the destination field for the next extraction. This selection step ensures the formula goes into the correct cell. Then type =left A3 find ISA3 1 into the field. 1. Notice how the cell references change from A2 to A3 because the messy text you want to process is now located in A3. The structure of the formula stays the same, but the input reference must match the row you are extracting from. Finally, press the Enter key to complete your manual column calculation setup. Excel should return the first name for the Jane Doe entry in B3. Take a brief moment to compare the results you got in B2 and B3 with the intended first name values. If everything matches, you have successfully used the left and find functions together to split full names at the space character. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.